From eating a healthy diet to exercising regularly, all of these play important roles in maintaining liver health. There are certain foods that help to keep your liver healthy and also repair liver damage. This one backyard plant can help repair liver damage. Read on to know about it. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. Liver performs several functions. It helps to detoxify the blood by removing the toxins, drugs, metabolizes food by breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and regulates blood sugar, among others. Therefore, it is very important that you keep a check on your liver health. From eating a healthy diet to exercising regularly, all of these play important roles in maintaining liver health. There are certain foods that help to keep your liver healthy and also repair liver damage. One of them is dandelion. This plant has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years as it can help treat several types of diseases. Recent studies have shown how dandelion roots have the ability to protect your liver from liver fibrosis, which is a condition that can cause liver damage. A study was published in the Journal of Basic and Applied Zoology, wherein the researchers studied how dandelion root extract impacted the rats that had liver fibrosis. The team found that dandelion prevents the progression of hepatic fibrosis. The effect of dandelion is due to its ability to get rid of free radicals and lower the impact of inflammatory cells. The dandelion root extract can also help lower oxidative stress, inflammation, and other markers of fibrosis in the liver. The researchers also shared that the extracts helped to protect liver cells and helped in tissue repair. Another study published in the National Institutes of Health looked at antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of dandelion root. The researchers found that dandelion root helped reduce the levels of liver enzymes that usually increases when the liver is stressed. Dandelion roots have bioactive compounds with flavonoids, phenolic acids, vitamins, and other minerals that help reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and help in the production of bile in the body. When oxidative stress reduces in the body and there is better detoxification, it becomes a better environment for liver cells to repair and regenerate, thereby helping in liver damage and repairing it. Also read 7 signs your multivitamin is silently hurting.